Video Inspection Pro is a video program where it transmits from the inspection site back to a state licensed inspector to do the review on it.
It's instantaneous. There is no scheduling, there's no calling ahead, you don't have to wait for 3 days. All you have to do is literally activate the app, request what you want, get in the queue, and wait for the inspector to come pick you up.
Helped us even sign contracts with clients because we're gonna get our inspections, everything's gonna be documented, so we have peace of mind for us, you, the client. So if anything, or if somebody had an issue, they can go back and look at the video that we got the inspection and everything was good.
Video inspection program, you dig the ditch today for the foundation. You want to pour the foundation, you dial in your number, you get the inspection in 10 minutes, and your concrete's on the way. It's an ideal system for us to use at this time.